Now dRdt is given, therefore dc dt is equal to 2 pi into 1 by pi. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, therefore dv dt equal to ddt of 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is constant, that is taken outside, into ddt of r cube. The rate of change of a circle, the rate of change of the radius, not the circle, of radius of a circle is 1 by pi. Find the rate of change of its circumference, Here rate of change of radius means the radius is increasing. Since sign is positive, therefore rate of change of radius means it is increasing. Here with respect to time, that means dRdt is given. Solution. Given dRdt is equal to 1 by pi. Circumference of the circle C is equal to 2 pi r. We have to find the rate of change of this circumference. That means we have to find dc dt. Therefore dc dt is equal to ddt 2 pi r. 2 pi is constant, therefore the result will be 2 pi into dr dt. Now dRdt is given, therefore dc dt is equal to 2 pi into 1 by pi, that is equal to 2. That means rate of change of circumference, rate of change of circumference is 2 unit. This is actually unit of length per unit time. Let me repeat. Rate of change of radius is given, that means dRdt is given. Circumference C is 2 pi r. We need dc dt and calculated dc dt equal to this one. Therefore dc dt is equal to 2, which is independent of any variable. Therefore that is constant. Therefore rate of change of circumference is 2 unit. Here we have to mention the proper unit. CT for C, length, that is 2 unit, that is of length, and T means unit time. Therefore, the sum is solved. Next sum. I rub this part first and write the sum sum number 6. The surface area and volume of a sphere of radius r and r is and v respectively. Then we have to show two dv dt is equal to r into ds dt. For a sphere, radius is r, s is the surface area, and v is the volume. Therefore, we have to solve this one. Here, s, that is surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. First I find ds dt. Now ds dt is equal to d dt 4 pi r square. 4 pi is constant. 4 pi into d dt r square, that is equal to 4 pi into, this is function of r, therefore this will be ddr r square into dr dt. Here I have applied chain rule. Already I have discussed the matter in the earlier classes. Finally, the result will be 4 pi into 2r into dr dt. Therefore, ds dt is equal to 8 pi r dr dt. Then we find this is ds dt, dv dt. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, dv dt equal to d dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is constant, that is taken outside, into d dt of r cube. dv dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Now this is function of r, therefore we have to apply here the chain rule. Therefore, dv dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into derivative of r cube with respect to r 3r square into dr dt. 3 cancelled. Finally 4 pi r square into dr dt. Therefore, we have to prove this one. LHS is equal to 2 dv dt. Already we have got dv dt, this one, 2 into 4 pi r square into dr dt. 2 into 4 pi r square into dr dt, that is equal to 8 pi r square into dr dt. Now we find 8 per pi r dr dt, that is equal to ds dt. Therefore, I can write this r into 8 pi r dr dt, which is equal to r into ds dt, that is equal to RHS root. Follow, here we have to use the chain rule. First of all, we have written formulae of surface area and volume. Then we have obtained ds dt as well as dv dt. Then we have put the values here on the left hand side and calculated. We get this result. Then to get this ds dt form, we have written like this. Also, you can calculate independently left hand side as well as right hand side. Then you will see both sides are equal.